Hey, what's up, Matt? All right, so this is going to be basically just like a little tips and tricks to things that the seller did that's actually very smart on the Mustang. So first one, when you jump in, he has the AC compressor and the electric fan tied into this switch. So the AC will only run when the electric fan is on and that switch is on. Reason he did that is because it's hot in Florida, just like New Mexico, pretty much. So he wanted to make sure that when the AC was running, that the engine was staying cool and wasn't gonna overheat. When that light is flashing red, that lets you know that it's off. Gauges down there, all pretty simple, self-explanatory. I did not ask him what that button is for, so that one we'll have to double check. That is attack. And then jumping to the trunk. So typically this just screws off for your gas. What he did is there's a little release right here, this little lever. You want to pull that and then that will go ahead and spin off. Kind of hard to do with one hand. This is going to be for your air shocks. To fill it is right there, and then that lets you know pretty much how much is in the rear. And then jumping up front, so he went and basically took all of your major relays and fuses and tucked them right in here. So you have all, again, anything important is going to be right there. And then you also have a couple relays on that side. I'm trying to think if there's really anything else. I think that's pretty much it, man. Besides that, shipper's here. He's doing his inspection. It's going to be picked up here soon. And then I don't know if you can see the truck right over there, but it's going to be loaded up and on your way soon.